3, 2, 1.
So, just continuing to talk about some of the human impacts here at Penrith Lakes, we've had a couple of introduced species. One of them has been responsible for a local extinction event. We used to have the green and gold bell frog found in this area, and unfortunately we don't anymore. It's not extinct overall, but from this area it is. The species responsible for the extinction of the green and gold bell frog is the mosquito fish. Now, we did catch quite a few of these mosquito fish. I believe we got more than 100 during our dip netting session, and it's quite a problem. The mosquito fish, as the name implies, was brought in to control mosquitoes. It came from America, and somebody had a great idea that because it ate mosquito larvae down there, that if they brought it to Australia, that it would do the same thing. And it does, but it also eats a lot of native invertebrates. Obviously that can impact the overall ecosystem. It has also decided that it likes the taste of frog spawn, frog eggs. So this little fish eats a large range of native invertebrates, and it's responsible for a species loss of frog because it breaks that life cycle of the frogs. Now, very unfortunate, but it tolerates very poor water quality. As you saw with our dip netting session and our bug analysis, the mosquito fish only has a sensitivity rating of 1. What that means is that it's able to tolerate very poor water quality, so any changes in the quality of the water don't affect it. It will affect a lot of the other high sensitivity water bugs before it affects the mosquito fish. Now, it also breeds really quickly. These fish are able to produce hundreds of babies, live birth babies, within a matter of weeks. Therefore, it's very difficult to control. As a matter of fact, the CSIRO are having trouble finding control methods to control this little fish. It's very small, it only grows about 2 centimetres in length, so it's very difficult to catch, very difficult to poison because it tolerates very poor water quality. And again, because of its quick breeding, there are many mosquito fish in a particular lake. It's just impossible to catch them all unless the lake was emptied, which obviously would affect all the other species. Now, just to finish off on the food web, we've got our primary producer, ribbonweed, at the bottom. We have what eats the ribbonweed, the shrimp, in the middle. And of course, we have our bass that will eat the shrimp at the top. Just remember that the arrows are pointing in the direction of energy flow, not what eats what. Obviously, the ribbonweed won't be eating the shrimp. The arrows are pointing in the direction of energy flow. That's it, guys. I hope you've learned something today. Thank you very much for listening.